Good morning, everyone. It is now 9 a.m. Wednesday, October 11th, 2023. This is the bid opening for the 2023 Culvert Repair Project. Present this morning is our construction engineer, Justin, who will be entering in the live bids as they are read. Our construction engineer, Cage, who will be opening all sealed bid packets and checking for the required proposal documents. And myself, Jeremy, the construction manager, who will be reading the bid results today. This project required one addendum, as you will see from our Excel file tabs. The bids will only be read for ones where we had received the required addendum documents within the bid packet. The section number for the 2023 Culvert Repair Project is section number 22-00517-00-DR. The engineer's estimate for this project was $645,025.50. The first and final bid for the project is from Alliance Contractors, Inc. The bid is in the amount of $667,373.75. At $667,373.75. This concludes the bid opening for the 2023 Culvert Repair Project. A saved copy of this live recording, as well as the official bid tab, will be available on our website within the next 24 hours. Thank you.